MECHA is a field that almost the boys dream about, and we're here to share our dream. All of concepts start from some pop-up light in our head. The very first sketch is the most emotional sketch. It's a difficult and struggled process to choose the basic form for the concept. In this concept, humanoid form is chosen to show. For the initial sketch, no need to draw too detailed. The human form mecha was generated. After having the general frame, diving into the detail is very important. We spent a lot of effort in detail. In the same time, the design language and the frame have to be kept. The whole structure is built from basic shape. Connect them together and keep the function also. The design language comes from basic shape and its function. The head follows strictly the proportion of the human head. The guiding lines show how the basic shape will coming into a completed structure. The proportion of the head design will be as same as a human head. This thing will make the design language consistent through the whole body of the mecha. After the time for emotion, this is the time for the accurate. With our process, clean line art is very important. It will show viewer how the line is going, how the shape is forming, and the proportion, distance, and depth of the 3D environment which is appled on the concept. We paid a lot of attention at the intersection point of the line. The more accurate, the better shape will be generated. While processing the line, some small rectangle will be added. This small detail will make a big change on your design. It will bring the surface more mechanical and more details. In the ink section, we will explore more about the rest of the process, and there will be a lot of design philosophy that we believe they will help. Thanks for watching.